2024, it's time to kick off your planning for the upcoming trip. The year 2024 looks promising, with the Japanese yen possibly still in the low for the last 2 years, and new attractions set to emerge from January onward. Welcome to the newest marvel in Tokyo, the Azabudai Hills, Japan's towering achievement in architecture and luxury living. Soaring to a height of 330 meters, this 64-story skyscraper redefines the skyline and surpasses its predecessor, Abeno Harukas, in Osaka, by an impressive 30 meters. Almost rivaling the iconic Tokyo Tower, at 333 meters, Azabudai Hills stands tall and proud. Step into the heart of the Azabudai Hills complex, where modernity meets green tranquility. With expansive green spaces, this complex isn't just about height, it's about harmonizing with nature. The tower accommodates offices, from the 5th to the 52nd floors, but that's just the beginning. Experience opulence at its best, with the Aman Resort's upscale hotel, boasting 122 rooms for an exquisite stay. But it's not just about staying, it's about living. The complex houses 1,400 residential units, creating a community within this architectural marvel. Azabudai Hills isn't just about living, it's a lifestyle. Indulge your senses in high-end restaurants, explore luxury shops, immerse yourself in the mesmerizing digital art museum, curated by teamLab, and nurture young minds at the British School, all within this dynamic complex. Conveniently located in the Azabudai area of Minato Ward in Tokyo, the complex is a mere 5-minute walk from Kamiyacho Station and Roppongi Station. So, whether you're here to work, stay, or immerse yourself in art and culture, Azabudai Hills welcomes you to a world where heights are not just measured in meters, but in experiences that elevate the soul. Prepare to be captivated, as the renowned teamLab Borderless Museum reopens its doors in February 2024, beckoning you into a realm of immersive digital art experiences. Formerly nestled in Odaiba, Tokyo, this artistic haven closed its doors on August 31, 2022, only to be reborn at the heart of Azabudai Hills, just a stone's throw away. Venture into the depths of creativity, as teamLab Borderless takes residence in the basement floor of Azabudai Hills. With a promise of new artworks, the museum is set to weave a spellbinding tapestry of digital wonders, sure to leave you in awe. One of the highlights is the enchanting Bubble Universe Room. This space reimagines teamLab's beloved forest of resonating lamps installation, transforming it with reflective baubles that create an endless shimmer in a mirrored infinity room. It's an exploration of light and reflection, inviting you to lose yourself in its mesmerizing allure. Step into the Megalith Crystal Formation Room, where the flowers and people artwork takes center stage. Initially shrouded in darkness, this room unveils a breathtaking display of red flowers that respond to your presence, blooming in vivid splendor. The ambience then transforms as the Black Waves artwork emerges, evoking the ebb and flow of oceanic waves and capturing the essence of classical East Asian art. teamLab Borderless at Azabudai Hills isn't just a museum, it's a journey into the extraordinary. So mark your calendars for February 2024 and get ready to immerse yourself in a world where art knows no boundaries. Get ready for an extraordinary experience in the heart of Tokyo, as a 24-hour Edo-themed onsen spa complex, Toyosu Senkyaku Banrai, is set to unveil its wonders in February 2024. This expansive project by Manyo Club, a hospitality company, is poised to redefine the landscape of Toyosu Tokyo, with its dual attractions, the vibrant Toyosu Offsite Edo May Market, and the rejuvenating Tokyo Toyosu Manyo Club Public Bathhouse. Step into a world where the charm of the Edo period meets contemporary luxury. The Toyosu Offsite Edo May Market invites you to explore its shopping and dining haven, where traditional Edo aesthetics harmonize with modern indulgences. Whether you're seeking culinary delights or a unique shopping experience, this venue promises to be a delightful escapade. Meanwhile, the Tokyo Toyosu Manyo Club is not just a public bathhouse, it's a sanctuary of relaxation open around the clock. Immerse yourself in the soothing waters, surrounded by an ambience that harks back to the elegance of Edo period. As you unwind, you'll find a perfect blend of tranquility and the vibrant spirit of Tokyo. So, mark your calendars for February 2024 and be prepared to embark on a 24-hour journey through time and luxury in the heart of Tokyo's Toyosu district. Tokyo Disney Sea Park,
will open its 8th themed port on June 6, 2024.
Tokyo Disney Sea has announced an opening date for its Fantasy Springs expansion, and released a new video of the attraction as it approaches completion. Fantasy Springs, the 8th themed port at Tokyo Disney Sea, will open to the public on June 6, 2024. It contains 3 areas inspired by Frozen,
Tangled, and Peter Pan,
as well as the Tokyo Disney Sea Fantasy Springs Hotel. At Frozen Kingdom, set after the events of the 2013 film, Frozen, visitors will experience the Kingdom of Arendelle,
and the Anna and Elsa's Frozen Journey attraction. This area also offers the Royal Banquet of Arendelle restaurant within Arendelle Castle, and Okansoke foods. As for Peter Pan's Neverland, this features Captain Hook's pirate ship, and the iconic Skull Rock, as well as the Peter Pan's Neverland Adventure attraction, and the Fairy Tinker Bell's Busy Buggies attraction in Pixie Hollow. Guests will dine in the Lookout Cookout restaurant. The new hotel is the 6th Disney hotel in Japan.
It includes a gift shop and 3 dining outlets, the Fantasy Springs Restaurant, Grand Paradis Lounge, and Lollibay Lala.
The shiny new Tokyu Plaza, Harajuku Harakado, set to open in 2024. Named Tokyu Plaza Harajuku Harakado, the new building is right across the street from the Tokyu Plaza Omotesando, Harajuku complex. To avoid confusion, the latter pre-existing building will be renamed as Tokyu Plaza Omotesando, Omokoto.
Designed by architect Akihisa Hirata, the building has 9 floors above ground, 3 basement levels, and a commercial penthouse. Though the building is still a few months away from opening, Hirata's signature vertical garden on the upper floors can now be seen from the crossing. While the complete lineup of shops and facilities remains under wraps, a sneak peek into the offerings of Tokyu Plaza Harajuku Harakado has sparked anticipation. The 5th and 6th floors are set to host a dynamic food court, inviting visitors to explore various casual eateries. Adding to the allure, the 2nd floor will feature a community space named Cover, creating a welcoming environment for individuals to socialize while perusing a curated archive of magazines spanning different decades. However, stealing the spotlight is the revelation of a public bathhouse on the 1st basement floor. Known as Kosugiyu Harajuku, this new sento is poised to be a sibling to the well-established Kosugiyu bathhouse in Koenji, which has been a local feature since 1933. Get ready for an exciting experience, as Tokyu Plaza Harajuku Harakado is scheduled to open its doors in spring 2024 at Shibuya. Universal Studios Japan Super Nintendo World Donkey Kong Expansion Area, opening spring 2024. Universal Studios Japan and Nintendo have announced the opening of the world's first Donkey Kong themed area, with a roller coaster, interactive experiences, merchandise, and food. With this expansion, Super Nintendo World will increase its size by approximately 70%. Prepare for an adventure like no other, as the popular theme park introduces a captivating addition to its roster, Minecart Madness, a roller coaster weaving through a majestic temple nestled deep within the jungle. Beyond the exhilarating Minecart Madness ride, the upcoming area promises a host of other engaging activities. Visitors can embark on a quest to collect the iconic K, O, N, and G letters, a familiar feat for players seeking extra lives in the games. To partake in this adventure, guests will require the use of a power-up band. As anticipation builds for the grand opening of the Donkey Kong Country area in spring, enthusiasts can get a head start on the excitement, with a curated selection of merchandise inspired by the series, available for purchase at the theme park starting December 6. Get ready for a thrilling journey into the world of Donkey Kong. Unfortunate news for tourists in Japan regarding tax-free shopping in the future. The government is contemplating changes to the existing system due to misuse, and the proposed alteration might be less convenient for visitors. Instead of the current system, where consumption tax is deducted at the point of sale in designated duty-free stores, the government is considering a new approach. Under this potential method, travelers would need to pay taxes upfront during the purchase, and then apply for a refund when leaving Japan, and after confirming their purchases. This adjustment is expected to be discussed in fiscal 2024, and might be implemented in fiscal year 2025 or later. Stay informed for more updates on how this change might impact your shopping experience in Japan. Tokyo Fraud Taxi. Japanese authorities are heightening surveillance on unlicensed taxis at Narita Airport near Tokyo due to a surge in arrivals, leading to a higher demand for transportation to the capital. In early November, officials from the Transport Ministry distributed numerous flyers bearing the message, "Caution, unlicensed taxis are illegal and unsafe," in English and Chinese, to international visitors arriving at the airport in Chiba Prefecture. These informational flyers emphasize the importance of checking the color of vehicle license plates, highlighting that licensed taxis display green plates or plates with green frames, while unlicensed taxis display the white plates, typical of private vehicles. Additionally, the flyers caution passengers that they may not be covered by insurance if they sustain injuries while riding in an unauthorized taxi. It's worth noting that, unlike in many other countries where ride-hailing services like Uber and Grab are prevalent, Japan generally prohibits such services that allow private vehicle drivers to operate as unofficial taxis. Although Uber and similar apps are available in Japan, they can only be used to summon licensed cabs. Tokyo train stations to start tap and go credit card payments. Major train companies in Tokyo are gearing up to introduce contactless fare systems that allow payments via credit and debit cards. This development coincides with the temporary suspension of sales for Pasmo and Suica cards, essential for Japan's transport networks, due to a global semiconductor shortage. According to Nikkei reports, this new service will enable tourists and commuters who purchase a special ticket online to seamlessly pass through station gates by hovering their credit or debit card over the sensor. The system will also accept prepaid cards and QR code payments via smartphones. This shift to card-based payments could significantly reduce rail companies' costs for installing and maintaining ticket machines. In November, 3 major railway companies in Japan's western Kansai region, home to the popular cities of Kyoto and Osaka, announced plans to install fare gates allowing the use of such payment methods by 2024. Kintetsu Railway and Hankyu Railway are set to implement these fare gates in 2024, while Hanshin Electric Railway will follow suit by the spring of 2025, as reported by the Japan News. Whether you need a special ticket in advance or can simply tap your card, the details of this exciting development set to roll out in 2024 are eagerly anticipated. Considering the recent JR Pass price hike and the abundance of new attractions in the Tokyo region, opting for a regional pass might be a more economical choice. Depending on the pass type, it opens up opportunities to explore Nikko, experience the relaxing Kusatsu onsen, and even visit the renowned snow monkeys in the Nagano region. If this aligns with your travel plans, seriously consider the JR East Pass, Nagano-Niigata area, for a worthwhile exploration. For planning and tracking your expenses during your trip, you can consider this simplified Excel sheet that helps you to keep track of your expenses, from flight to accommodation, to daily foods, or groceries expenses during your stay in Japan. To simplify your travel experience, consolidate all your information into a digital PDF that you can access and review on the go. Consider this PDF to refer to flight numbers and times, plan your travel time, indicate all your train information, and your packing list, all together in a single PDF. Feel free to visit the channel's blog, and for the PDF, you can access it from your laptop, tablet, or even print it out, or use your mobile device on the go for convenient referencing. Click here for more videos regarding essential information about your trip to Japan. Thank you for staying to the end.